In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the issue that Rainbet says, sorry, Rainbet isn't available in your region. And the reason why this happens is because Rainbet doesn't have a license in your country. As you can see, it says, due to our gaming license, we cannot accept players from Netherlands. This will be the same for Spain, the UK, the US, Australia, and a bunch of other countries as well. However, there's a workaround who can still play games on the site and create an account. So to do this, we are going to be using a VPN, which is a program that allows you to change your location online. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to NordVPN, which is a VPN we are going to download and use to change our online location. And NordVPN is also actually one of the only VPNs which is working with this website right now. Once you got NordVPN set up and installed, you want to open it right here. And as you can see right now, I am not connected. And what I want to do is connect to a country where Rainbet is available. And my favorite place for that is Canada in Vancouver. So we want to go to the three lights right here. And I click on Vancouver. And as you can see, we straight away get a Canadian IP address. And what I never like to do is open up a new tab and then type in buyinstall.com/Rainbet and hit enter. And this is now going to bring you back to Rainbet just like that. And we need to click verify. And then now, as we can see, the pop-up is gone and we can actually scroll to the site and play these games. Then once you create your account, you can go to wallet right here. And then as you can see, you can easily deposit money with crypto or with other payment methods right here. And you can also withdraw your funds when you get winnings. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.